So what'd you do before the world ended?
I was kissing my wife, playing with my dog, wondering every day how I got so lucky.
You gotta have something to haunt you, right? Otherwise you might get lonely.
We have no idea what's out there.
What do you expect to find? Happy people everywhere. The world that was doesn't exist.
It's just us trying to hold on to what was. And everyone else.
This world fits you, Bang. Wake up, defend, survive.